Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to see unsent messages on Messenger. So let's just say someone sent you a message here, but then again, when you open, the message is no longer there. Okay, so it will show unsent here. So how are you going to see that one? The very first thing you should do is to exit your phone application. Actually, you can download any application that is related to notification history on your App Store or Google Play Store and then use that one. However, some notification history is not working. So if you don't want to use other application, then you can stick on your Messenger. And then what you're going to do is to click this three lines at the top left corner, tap the gear icon, scroll down till you see these notifications and sound, and all you have to do is to turn this one on. Once you have turned on your notifications and sound here, then you can now exit. This time you have to go to your phone settings. Okay, open your phone settings, and then what you're going to do here is to scroll down till you see notifications and status bar. This is what it looks like. Now you have to click this manage notifications. Now, some phones don't have the same settings. However, you should look for notification history on your manage notifications, and you have to turn this one on. Now, after that, you will see here recently cleared. So below you can see here messenger and then the message that you have received but now unsent. But actually, after that person or even if that person unsent that message, if you turn on your notification history, all you have to do is to swipe down and then you will see those unsent messages. Or you can turn on your notification history like this. Then you can go to your notification history, and here you will see those messages that were unsent by someone. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.